You have so much translation. So this is joint distraction and dorsal translation. Like, look at that. So that's what I want you to do. So with him, yeah. So you do a little distraction and dorsal glide, right? And so it's distraction. So you can see how much mobility, and then look how much dorsal glide you have.
Yeah, so much.
So, but you see, with him, he doesn't have any, right? So, but do you feel the?
No, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what.
I literally see it, feel it.
Yeah. So you have that here. Oh, look at this one. You don't even need to distract it. It's like bloop, bloop.
Yeah, it's so
Even
easy,
though, yeah. So it's this. So you can come and you can do a little distraction. See how I squeeze my fingers together and distract, right?